So it is really pretty out here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but just getting settled in the boat here for the night, and it just started raining, so got out here and got all the gear on just in time. Probably better brush my teeth before it starts pouring. And yeah, maybe light a couple of the lamps and get ready to turn in for the night. You can hear the water, the little waves on the laps of the hull, lap strike planking. And yeah, let's see, I got a bit of arranging to do to get all the stores stashed away, and then after that I'll have to try and focus on getting the bed ready to go. Anyway, beautiful start to a long weekend on the water. Taking tomorrow off. Tomorrow's Friday, so I'll hopefully be headed for the shoals, God willing. And in this case, we're hoping the creeks do rise. I'm going to head off on the high run of the tide around 9:30, 10 o'clock tomorrow, hopefully, is the idea. Yeah, just starting to spit a little bit of rain. Don't know if you guys can see that in the light of the camera, but yeah, just a little bit, a few drops coming down. It's supposed to pour tonight, so anyway, that's that. I'll get this stuff stowed, stashed away, so it doesn't move around while I'm sailing tomorrow, and try and get to bed, get a good night's sleep. It's past 9 o'clock now, so the tide's up, boat's floating, so this time tomorrow I'll be in a similar situation, but with some daylight, so we can raise the sails and head downriver.